Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll discuss about mitochondria. It is another functional cell organelle. Well, so this is the cell organelle found in large number in most of the cells, okay, and in which the biochemical processes of the respiration and energy production occur. It means it is involving in respiration and energy production. Please emphasis in this word, the meaning of respiration, where the oxidation of glucose takes place. So oxidation of glucose will form what? Energy, and this will done by whom? Mitochondria. Okay, so if we talk about the structure, it is bounded with the double membrane, inner and outer membrane, and outer membrane is lying outside and inner membrane is lying inside, and further it extend into a fold like structure. So this is called what? Cristae. As we'll see in next diagram. Here this is the diagram of the mitochondria. A rod like structure is there. In this you will observe two membrane is there. One is outer membrane and it is inner membrane. Inside we have intermembrane space, right? These structures are called cristae, right? Inside the lot of things are there. They are called matrix. They have their own genetic material. DNA and ribosomes are considered as own genetic material. So it is called semi-autonomous. It is called semi-autonomous. And here on the cristae you will see that small particles are there. You will see that yellow structures, this yellow structures are there on the cristae finger like projection. This is called peroxisomes, or we can call F0 or F1 complexes. They are the particles which are generating energy molecule, and that energy molecule is called as ATP. So mitochondria is giving you energy, right? And it is participating in respiration. Meaning of respiration: oxidation of glucose is called respiration. It gives you energy, and energy is produced by ATP, and ATP is coming from the complexes, that is F0 and F1. Okay, so let us discuss about the functions of the mitochondria. The first, they are helping in cellular respiration. Beta cellular respiration means where the cell, each and every cell is involving in the oxidation of glucose, where the glucose is getting oxygen. This is called oxidation of glucose, and it is proceed by cell, so it is called oxidation of glucose. So when they will get this oxygen, they will generate energy molecule, and this is called what? ATP. The full name of ATP, it is adenosine tri, means 3 phosphate. This you have to remember, the full name of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Well, it is helping in calcium transportation also. Calcium ions are get transported by the mitochondria, and this mitochondria is only helping to maintain the concentration of the calcium. They generate energy, so it is called powerhouse of the cell. So they can ask you which cell organelle is called powerhouse of the cell and why. So this you have to give answer in a proper form, because they are generating energy, and energy will be in the form of ATP, right? And the full name of ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and they are involving in cellular respiration as well. There is one fact of mitosis, that mitochondria produce 90% of your energy and are present in nearly every cell of your body. It means whatever energy you are getting by mitochondria. 90% energy you are getting by the side of mitochondria, and mitochondria are like each and every cell is surrounded by the mitochondria, because the cell needs energy, right? So these energies are provided by the mitochondria. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.